Now, spotlighting. Now, good afternoon, everybody. Today it's Friday, and we also know that Friday is Data Day. What is Friday? Data Day. Right.
Data Day.
So, it's like Data Day today. Same joke. Anyway, moving on. So we're going to look at one particular element of data today. Yesterday we looked at collecting data by last week, sorry, next day. Yes, last week we was do tally charts, and then we had tally charts put together. We also looked at doing stem and leaf diagrams one week. And a stem and leaf diagram is where we take the data and we put it into a picture kind of form so we can present the data to people. So let's go. So the first bit was collecting data, collecting it onto a tally chart. And then we present the data. We could present it by a stem and leaf diagram. After you've done that, the next stage really would be to look at the data and make something from it. Find some information from it. Be able to work with it. Be able to say, well, I have found out this because of this data. This data has given me something important to talk about. And that is what we call analyzing the data. And the one thing we're going to do today, one way to analyze data, is to look at one of the averages. There are 3 averages. How many averages are there?
3.
3. We have the mean, we have the median, and we have the mode. We have the mean, we have the median, and we have the mode. What do we have?
Mean, medium, and mode.
Great. We have the mean, the median, and the mode. Good. And there is a song about that a teacher friend of mine made up once. It was using Frere Jacques as the soundtrack of it, and if I can kind of find let's see if I can figure it out. It was something like this. It was like, that's Frere Jacques, yeah? And then it was like, mean is average, mode is most, median in the middle, range high low. It's something like really stuff like that. But we're not going to look at all of them. I'm just going to look at the median right now. The median is in the middle. Where is the median?
In the middle.
In the middle. So let's go a little bit of a cheeky share now. And let us write that down in our books. So the title, we're looking at the median, spelled M-E-D-I-A-N, the median. The median is spelled to search the date today, if you didn't know, is the 22nd of the 5th, 2020. The median, I'm going to make a little note for us to write down, please. The median is found in the center of ordered data. So can we all write that down, please? The median is found in the center of ordered data. The median is found in the center of ordered data. And what I'm going to do soon is I'm going to give you a little cheeky activity where you have to find the median on a few different lists of numbers. Oh yeah, oh yeah. So I'm going to print screen that.
Oh, maybe.
Need to open the Word document.
Chicken nuggets are nice. Chicken nuggets are nice. Ding dang dong.
To be fair, McDonald's is closed, so I kind of forget what it tastes like at the moment.
Ding dang dong. Ding dang dong.
want my pencil.
Something at Martina. Something at Martina. Ding.
You okay there, Toby? Toby,
Yeah, I'm having fun.
calm down. Toby,
I
calm.
think everyone's going a bit mad.
Calm down.
I'm not.
Toby.
Good for you.
Okay,
My family.
here are a list of some numbers. Question 1 to 10 is here. I'm going to scroll up in a minute to get 10. You know, I know maybe I can make it smaller, perhaps. What I'd like you to do is you're going to write the list of the numbers down as they are and circle the one that is the median. Remember, the median is the one that is center of the ordered data. And this, luckily for you, this number is already ordered. So all you got to do is find the center. Happy with that?
No.
No?
What's the center of number 1?
The center. What do you think the center number 1 is?
Is it 6?
course it
No,
is.
4.
No, it's not 4. It's 6. The center is
4.
6 in the middle.
there.
So is it the number in the middle, or like the number in
Yeah.
the middle and actual numbers?
It's found in the center of the ordered data. So where is the center of the data? Isn't it here? I'm gonna let you guys figure it out because at the end of the day, that's half of the fun. If you get it wrong, it doesn't really matter. I can show you how to do it afterwards.
So it's
Alright.
so it's simply just the one that's in the middle of
I'm
the.
not telling you, Joe. You have to figure it out.
That's what I'm asking.
Oh, evil, savage. I'm
median
savage.
is the cheeky and
Number 2.
the median is the cheeky and
3.
The median is the one that you're all supposed to be working on right now. So I want to see us all writing down. I can't see Toby writing. I don't know what's that. What's
Because I'm typing.
But I want you to
I'm
be
looking
writing,
into space.
Toby, please. I want you to be write the list of numbers down and circle the one that you think is the median. And if it's wrong,
Oh,
and show you the
what?
answers,
Oh,
you'll go,
come
I
on,
get
that's not
it now, Benton. And then we can.
You have to write down all of the numbers.
You have you and your lack of effort. Yes, you have to write down all the numbers, Joseph, and circle the one that you think is the median. Stop being LAZY.
I ain't lazy, how dare you?
Not you. I was talking to Joseph because he's the second.
No one's lazy in this math
Toby,
school.
Toby, calm down. Toby, calm down. Calm down. Okay.
I'm backing Joseph up.
I need Toby, please. You need to be doing some work. You can start writing these down for me, please. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you, Bob Potato.
You're welcome.
What's number 8?
It's the number after 7.
I'm guessing.
You have to guess. Well done. You have to guess because BDogg's not helping you because BDogg is allowing you to be free.
I'm not free though. I'm trapped inside my house.
Well, you can be free in your mind. Come on, go.
use Google Maps.
I'm on holiday.
So, Joe, are you already on question number 8?
9.
That was a bad idea.
Have you written down all the numbers as well? Yeah. Oh, so. Joe, did you write out the list of numbers?
Oh yeah,
I see.
kind of.
In other words,
You mean kind of.
all right. Question call roll. Toby, what question you want?
I'm on question 9.
I totally haven't got this.
That's okay. Doesn't matter. Joseph, what question you want?
Question 7.
Thank you. Hayden, what question are you on?
Question 4.
Jay, what question are you on?
Question 4.
Okay, and Joe?
Question nothing. I'm finished. I think.
Okay, cool. When I go through all these now, you'll be like, I understand that now.
Oh no.
That's the fan.
My internet connection is unstable.
Like the person using it.
Yeah.
Oh, savage.
Ooh, baby.
Oh.
Man, he's upside down. He's upside down.
He's upside down. He's upside down. He's upside down.
Toby, don't forget this is being recorded. You're being too loud. Toby.
Free Shaka. Donny Blue.
You've got 1 more minute to get as far as you can in 1 minute.
Joe, can you please stop singing? It's distracting me.
Okay.
Gracias.
You have to put the commas in between.
Ideally, because then you might get confused on what number you're doing.
Yeah,
You might have
commas take
900
forever.
910 or something. Oh, yeah. Commas take forever.
I know they do. And I just.
Brendan,
Mm.
please be quiet.
Brendan,
Yeah.
for question 8, be 5 or 6.
Who's just done that?
Joe, that's Joe.
Who's doing?
What does annotate mean?
Anita.
Your
Annotate. Play.
beautiful piece of art.
Brendan,
Yeah. I
It's question
hear your
8.
question. I hear your question. I refuse to answer it because when I go through it, you'll get it. So you need to make a decision.
But that's not fair.
I know,
That's
I'm a
not
nasty
called
piece of
that's
work.
not called teaching.
It's actually fantastic
How?
because
Everyone be backing us to on.
because if I give you the opportunity to try it yourself and have a go, you can kind of have an eye. You can really grasp things better than me. Just keep on just telling you the answer straight away.
But then you get them all wrong.
Sorry. Yeah, but
Okay.
it's not about getting it wrong or right. It's about, do you understand how to do it when you leave the class? Getting it right straight away is not really an issue. Not me.
No. Yeah.
You'll have to trust me. You have to trust me. I've been doing this a little bit for quite some time. If I can find the next one piece of it, I'm looking for it. It'd be great. Okay, good. Here we go.
You sound evil.
Found it. I am
Your
evil.
presence does not fulfill my certainty. Yeah.
Attitude. Okay, now I think that's done. Now. I think we've all had a chance to get as far as you possibly can. So I'm going to go through some answers and show you how easy this is. Let me show you how easy this is now. So let me just go back to my screen.
In other words, how stupid we are.
No. You can't class it as stupid because you did. It's not like you knew it and you haven't chosen to do it wrong. You just didn't know it. You got stuff like, or So if it was me now, if you look carefully at the board, please, everybody, everyone.
It's a
And now we've got 1, 5, 6, 8, and 10. And the one in the center is quite easy to find. It's the 6 because that is the only place I can circle where I've got the same amount of numbers to the left and the same amount of numbers to the right.
Right. That is.
Same goes for
right.
Can we do
12.
some ticks? Can we do ticks?
You can do ticks, yeah, sure. Tick, fine.
Yeah.
Brendan, do you recognise this?
I do. It's a wireless speaker with BDogg's maths on it. And I should have some more to sell, actually. I need to sell them. And
My
all
brother rarely uses it.
my BDogg's maths pens as well.
Where did you get BDog's maths from?
My brother
Wait, sorry,
rarely
did I get that
uses it.
from Joseph?
Yeah.
When I was about 12, I used to play basketball for my school, and I used to have this loads of energy. And my PE teacher, Mr. Rochford, said, I want you to be like a dog after a bone with that ball, Brendan. Run around with the ball all. And I did it for 4 quarters. I was like so fit. I could do it for that long. And then they started to call me BDogg because Brendan, and then I felt like a dog after a ball. So then I started being BDogg first. And that went from there all the way through my cricket career and everything. So everyone just called me BDogg. So that's where it stopped.
Dog.
That's where it comes from. There's many people actually. If you spot them in the cricket circle, they might go, "Oh, do you know Brendan?" They might go, "No, I don't know him." And if you're a BDogg, and say, "Yeah, I know him," instead. It's really strange. It's really strange. Right. So Here's one now. I need to circle the number, but it gives me the same each side, so that'll be that 2 there.
2, yes.
Yeah? I'm going to circle the 10 here, I think, because that gives me 3 to the left and 3 on the right. If I circle the 50, that gives me 3 on the left and 3 on the right. If I circle the 8,
Come on. Thank you.
I get...
I've got them all right.
Because he's got issues, Mum. That's why.
Brendan just says, because I've got issues, Mom. I've got issues. Apparently I have.
We know this. Right. And then this one now is a trick question. Because there's no number I can circle that gives me a number each side. So what I do is I
I'll put 5.
I think of a line, and that line is a number in between 5 and 6. So the answer to this one is actually 5.5.
No, it's not. It's 5.50000000.
It's still 5.5. All right. So what would this one be then?
16.5.
16.5.
I put 17, but it's 16.5.
Yeah, and this one would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 5, 5, 1.
34.5. No, it's 35.
35. Because halfway between those two, halfway between those two, and halfway between those two. And that's what happens when you have a median of even number data. A median.
Even.
Okay. Do we understand that? Is that clear enough?
Yes, I do.
Good.
Unbelievable.
Right, now I'm going to give you yet again another series of data, but this time it's not in order. So I have to place it in order first and then deal with the situation eventually. So here are the list of numbers, all different heights.
That's a lot of numbers. Lots.
You're gonna have to put them in order and inside. Now,
In one line.
you may decide that a tally chart might be easier to deal with this than to write them on a list.
Tally for the
Yeah, so if you can do a tally for the situation, it might work out better for you to find out which one is the median. You might do, it might not. Decide. Okay. Any questions?
No.
I've already worked it out.
Okay, so you think you've worked out which is the median. Bear in mind the numbers aren't in order. So you have to put them in order first.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
Got it.
For those that have finished.
Right then. This is what I do when I'm annoyed.
You make me out to be such a horrible person, Joe. Oh no, he's annoyed. He's gone sideways. No, Joe, come back. No, Joe, please don't be annoyed with me. No. Can I be forgiven, Joe? Thanks. Thanks, Joe. And by the way, next week, we will still continue.
Wow.
We will.
Right.
Will it still continue if people start going to school?
Sorry?
If other people start going to school, we still
Oh
carry
yeah,
on.
me
Well,
and
that's-
Toby are going to school in like 2 weeks and a bit
I
because we're year
know.
6
I know.
in theory. But
And-
they said we're not allowed to take anything but lunch, but we still don't know about that. So
Yeah. And
When you go back-
Joseph, what year are you in?
5.
So you'll be going back to school as well, won't you?
no, it's only year 6, year 1 reception.
Oh, okay. So we'll carry on, Joseph. We'll carry on.
The thing is, Brendan, they said no pens, no paper, no stationery, just your lunch
Yeah,
and
because,
wear trainers.
yeah, because they're trying to stop you from bringing anything that's contaminated into the building.
Yeah, we get to wear our trainers.
We don't have, when we go back to school, we don't have to wear school uniform.
Yeah, what if you're
Oh
contaminated?
no, we've got to wear school uniform.
Yeah, but Joe, we get to wear Joe, we get to
lucky
wear
on
polo
you.
shirts and shorts.
Hayden,
I don't have shorts.
Hayden and Jay, have you done this work?
Well, that fit me anyway.
Nearly.
Yeah. Joseph, have you done both sets of data?
I'm on the last line of the
Okay.
second one.
Okay, great. Cool. Did you manage to try? I'm sure tally charts are the best way to do these ones. I think. But
Pie chart. I like pie charts. Could we do pie chart?
pie charts are very difficult for me
Hang
to.
on, Joe. Whenever we
difficult.
do pie charts at school, you moan.
Pie charts
Yeah.
are difficult for me to teach online pie charts because unless you've all
Yeah.
unless you've all got angle measures and compass. If you've all
I've got a
if you've all got-
protractor.
If you all got a protractor, then I could of course teach you.
I remember when we did it with Mr. Bennett, and we got to like make our own pie chart, and you could adjust it. That was fun.
Mm.
Thing is, we can't do that because it's touching.
Please, what? Alright, I think.
Joe, you see what I've called myself?
Right,
I love my pet burr. I love my pet burr.
right. Okay, then let's focus on this now, please, guys. So now I have to put these in order, and not so easily done. I still think, for me, the tally chart is a good idea for this. So I'm just going to move this out of the way for now. I'm going to draw a tally chart of this information, knowing that I need from 15, I need 16, I need 17, but it's actually 1.5, 1.6, 1.7 actually.
1 point. Oh, no, 1.
And then I can just do a nice little line going across here like this and like this. And let's
Nice and
start off at the
straight.
top. Start with that one. I've got one here, one two there, one there, 2 there, 3, 4 there, another 2, another 3, another 4, another 5. What am I doing here? What have I forgot to do, guys? What have I forgot to do?
Put the gate.
The gate, and then the dot.
Well done. So it starts again. So I've got 1.5, 1.5, 1.7, 1.7, 1.5, 1.6, 1.6, 1.6, 1.6, 1.7, 1.7, 1.7, 1.7, 1.7, 1.7. It's actually quite quick to do it that way, I think.
Yeah, I just wrote it down and it looked a mess.
Yeah, and then if I can confirm this now, I've got 3,
The
7.
middle's 16.5, isn't it?
Excuse me, hold on a second. I've got 3, I've got 7, I've got 10, I've got 15 numbers. So I check that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 numbers. So I know that's correct. I've got 3 here, 4 there, and I've got 7, I've got 8 here. So I've got 15 numbers. If I've got 15 numbers in a list, Yeah, that means I'm going to have, if I tend to do this like this when I teach at schools. I go the river bank, I go the river and then 2 river banks. If I got 15 numbers in total, I know that I'm going to have 7 numbers on this side of the river, 7 numbers on this side of the river, and 1 number in the center. That's how my 15 will be split up. So I'm looking for the 8th number in my list. Is that clear enough so far? I've gone too fast. Yeah. So the 8th number list is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So therefore my median for this data is 1.7 meters.
What? No, that doesn't work out. That doesn't work out.
Let me try again. Let me explain again. If you concentrate, you can see how it does work out. I have 15 numbers in total. Yes, Toby?
Yeah.
You agree? If I look at this little like sort of a demonstration of how my brain is working here, I have 50 people in total. That means if I have 7 people on the right side of my median and 7 people on the left hand side of the median and 1 person in the center, that's all my 15. That's all my 15 people calculate. 15 people are calculated there, nice and simple. So this here will be the 1st to the 7th, the 8th person will be here, and then the 9th to the 15th would be here. And that's how it works out. So that's why you have to I'm trying to teach you how my brain works to figure out how I'm going to find the median in more complicated situations. Because if you can tap into how my brain works, you can hopefully do it yourself. And once you can do it yourself, the idea is for you to become better than me.
It's amazing.
If you can get your brain to work mathematically the same as mine, then you can make it better than mine. That would be the best great achievement that I could ask for. Right?
My IQ is 200.
Great. Now it's all about using your IQ. You know, that's a different story.
I don't even know what my IQ is.
Do you know?
Nope.
I think there are some tests online you could do.
Mine's probably like 0 IQ.
But I think you have to do a test that's relevant to your age. So again, I'm gonna do what have we got here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you got to get 15 data again. So I'm gonna write some, but I'm not gonna write all of them. So I know I've got a 71. I know I've got a 74. I know I've got a 76. I know I've got a 78. And I've got an 80.
80.
I think that's all I've got. So start off with 76 twice, 78, 1, 74, 1, 71, 1, 76 again, 80, 80, 76, 78, 74, 71, 76, 71, 76, 76. I just want to check that out up to 15. So I've got 3, 5, 7, 2, and 1.
5? No, 2.
Sure? Oh, okay, my bad.
On 74.
Good. Just wanted to make sure that I got people watching. 5.
No, people always say that. It's just that you made a mistake.
You think so?
Yes.
Well,
People just try to hide it all the time.
You can think that if you're my friend. When you get to know me properly, Joe, you'll realise. My methods are mental. So, again, I'm looking for the 8th person. It's 15 bits of data. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The answer, the median
Is 76.
76 kilograms. Any questions on that?
A million.
Nope.
No. So that is how to find the median. That is how to find it. And actually, what I've done there is quite an advanced skill, actually. Taking you into the realm of having to contemplate if it's in a table format is actually quite hard to do. So even though you may not think of it that hard because you've been taught it in a decent way at the beginning, people might find that quite difficult. All right, so that's how we need to. That's kind of. So we're going to move on to now. It's a bit of fun, obviously. I'd like to do.
I like fun. So I'm
going to allow me to find the right page. Now there is There is an old game that quiz game that used to be on TV called Who Wants to Be a Millionaire?
Oh,
yeah, I've seen
yeah.
Remember it?
I've got it on my DS and it's fun.
Okay, so Who Wants to Be a Millionaire works like this.
Oh yeah, on the DS. Yeah.
Okay, listen up carefully. So what happens is that you get asked a question and you have 4 options to choose from. If you choose the correct one, you go up a ladder, which earns you different levels
You
of
could call
money,
a friend.
different levels of money each time. And you have lifelines as well, where you can either phone a friend, ask the audience, or take a 50-50. We're going to play today. Who Wants to Be a Mathanaire?
a matinee.
Yeah, Mathanaire, yeah. And
Me?
you're going to work together as a group to try to decide what the answer is. Now, I don't want any particular person to dominate this. I want you to work together.
I can dominate the whole school.
Well, Joe, no, you can't because you're not top of J2E Blast, are you?
So here
Well, hello.
we're going to
Okay.
start off. We're going to start off with level 1. Okay.
Okay, first select the level and answer the qualifying question.
Right. Start with the earliest.
Yeah, we're doing
Following
Who
in
Wants to Be
order
a
of time.
Mathanaire.
So on your piece of paper, can you write down the times of the day in order of the earliest to the latest?
B, C.
Josh.
I think noon's the one in the afternoon.
You're all having a go, and nobody says
Let's
anything
rock and
until
roll.
Nobody says anything until I ask you, please, so we can all work together.
His smile's a bit big. Yeah.
What is his nose?
Oh my.
Wait and calm down.
Has anyone else got really windy?
Yeah, mine's really windy. I've got my window on.
Yep.
Okie dokie. So here we go.
Like how everyone in the audience is stationary apart from the odd one. Blink.
Right. Let's go for Toby. What's your answer?
So I think the earliest is 0700.
B, yeah.
Then what?
3:20 p.m.
Ooh,
Oh, no. Don't click it, don't click it.
No.
Don't click it. Don't click it.
Go
Please
noon.
C,
don't.
it's
It's
C.
noon. It's noon. It's
Noon.
noon. C.
Because noon is the day. Then
NA.
Then
Yeah.
A,
And then
then
D.
D.
100.
We got £100. Let's go.
The next number in the
Right.
suite.
Again, write it down, please. Write down your answer.
Oh.
Do not shout it out. Give everyone the chance to have a go. Write down what they think the answer is. Jay, make sure you write down what you think the answer is, please, Jay. Is it A?
This
is it
question is
B,
for 100.
C?
0.2,
This question is for
What's next?
100 points.
No, this guy doesn't understand. It's not for 100 points, it's for £100.
Yeah, I think it's because he doesn't know which question you're going to be in, so he just goes.
Joe, it's 100 numbers. 100 numbers.
And this
Pounds.
question, I'm going to ask Jay, what answer do you think it is?
0.8.
Do we agree with this?
Yes.
Are we sure?
Yes, we are.
Yeah.
It is correct. We move on.
Yes, let's go.
Our
Wow.
question 200.
How many lines of symmetry does an equilateral
How many lines of symmetry does an equilateral triangle have? Is it A, 2, B, 3, C, 4, or D, 5? Can you write down your answers now?
Oh, I forgot about all the triangle stuff.
Doesn't matter. Write down an answer.
Like a triangle's got 4 or 5 sides.
Write down the answer.
Right.
It's a bit obvious which ones stand out. No, which ones. So, which, like, there's a triangle.
Joe, what's your answer?
A.
Joe thinks A. Anybody got anything different to that?
Yeah, I got different.
Joseph's got different. What do you think, Joseph?
I got A.
Joseph got A. Well, we said A, yeah. So, Toby, what do you think?
No.
I'll put B.
Toby's put B. Hayden,
Let's call a friend.
Hayden, what do you think?
A.
I'm asking
Hey,
you.
Jay, what do you think?
A.
Okay. How many lines of symmetry does an equilateral triangle have?
Four.
It's B.
It's B. Change it.
No,
It's B.
no, you can't
B.
cheat,
B.
Joe.
B.
You can't
B.
cheat.
I knew it.
It's
The
B.
answer is
It's
actually B. Because
Yeah.
you've got the from every corner you've got a line. Equilateral.
Thank you, Dad.
I was
Cheat!
wrong. Everyone needs to
How
find
much?
How
How
much?
much is-
I mean, it's not that wrong. How much
Yeah,
is
how
34?
much?
Can you work it out, please? Go. No calculators.
No calculate.
No
'cause
I've already got the answer.
Same.
Yeah,
I did it in my head already.
How mushroom?
This guy's smile is like this.
Oh.
Oh dear. I don't know how I'm
The
going to cope.
answer is bombard.
Yeah, Joseph, what the answer is? Joseph, what do you think?
The answer is
B.
204, or AKA C.
Yeah.
See, disagree? Anyone disagree? Going once?
Nope.
Going twice?
Going twice.
Correct. Well done, Joseph.
Joseph,
Well
you
done.
quality man.
We're going to our next question for 500 points. What is the nearest whole number to 12.31? What is the nearest whole number to 12.31?
Got
Write
it.
down your answer, please.
I already know.
Hayden, I'm going to come to you for your answer. Hayden, I'm coming to you for your answer here. So when you're ready, Hayden.
Thank you very much.
What whole number is the closest to 12.31?
Okay, I've made.
1.31.
Hayden?
I think it's A.
Yes, I agree with you.
Yeah.
Anyone disagree? Going once.
No.
Going twice.
Yeah, I'm going to disagree. I agree.
You agree? Okay.
Agree.
Yeah, I agree too.
not
Well
a
done.
C.
It's because my
Yeah.
IQ level is 0.
Whatever, Hayden, whatever. Which of these can be used to measure a running track?
Oh,
Is
come
it A,
on. Don't even be serious.
Got it.
B, yard,
Yard.
C, ounce, D,
A gallon.
gallon.
Yeah, gallons.
It's definitely gallons.
It's gallons.
Gallons? Okay, gallons.
Oh, no, yeah.
Joking.
Oh, no. Oh, okay. Jay, do you think you know?
Do you know?
No, the answer.
Wait, is it yard?
Do you agree or disagree?
I disagree. I disagree. I disagree.
Disagree?
I disagree.
Hayden, what do
I'm
you
not
think?
that good at measuring stuff.
I think it's A.
No.
No,
Inches.
it's not. It's not.
That's a long time to measure running track in
It's
inches.
It's like a meter.
Bruh.
A yard is like a
Well
meter.
done, Jay.
I thought you meant a treadmill. I thought you meant a treadmill.
A running track in inches will take a long time.
What shape
Hayden.
always have?
Yeah, that would.
I thought you meant like
Oh, I have 2 pairs of parallel lines.
Oh, you thought that meant like one of those miniature ones with the.
No, this is easy.
Oh, got it.
This is easy.
Which shape has exactly 2 pairs of parallel sides? Is it A, trapezium, B, triangle, C, parallelogram, or D, quadrilateral?
Oh,
it's a parallelogram.
It's easy.
2,000 points.
no,
I know the easy is. Come on, it's easy. It's easy.
Joseph, go on then, answer.
It's a parallelogram.
It's a
Yeah.
Yeah.
parallelogram, correct.
I agree.
Joseph.
Yay.
Well done, Jay. What is the value of 23 times 1,000, Toby?
it's
B.
Yeah,
Yeah.
We're gonna reach 1,000,000 points and then we'll be broke still.
Any
yeah. What?
that? Oh, Anyakwe runs a race in 23.4 seconds. Joe runs in 25.3 seconds.
Joe,
How
this is
much
slow.
faster
This
is
is slow.
Anyakwe? So can you please work that out? Is it 19 seconds difference, 2.1 seconds
Find the
difference,
answer.
2.9 seconds
It's
difference, 1.9 seconds different?
She just
And
said
let
The answer's D.
Yeah,
Joseph,
The
don't you
answer's
start
D.
shouting out
D,
your
C,
man.
B, or A.
D.
It's D, C, B, or A.
That's more like
Forgot
it.
them.
Joe, answer please.
D.
Joe thinks D.
It's a ding ding D.
Agree or disagree?
D. I agree.
Good.
Thank you,
I
Jay.
agree.
I agree.
I agree.
15,000 points. Which of these transforms is shaped by turning, or reflection, translation,
Got it.
or rotation, or enlargement?
Enlargement. No. Let's think about it. It's not A, B,
Oh,
or
one
D.
second. I'm gonna get this one.
Yeah, it's not A, B, or D.
I wonder what it is then.
C. Yeah, I
back.
wonder. Yeah, I wonder.
Right, so it's A, B,
Is it?
C, or D?
I think
It's C.
I'm not sure though. I think it's C.
C.
Carry on,
Oh,
man. And he's gonna-
Oh my goodness.
Easy. Rotation.
32,000 points.
How much is 89 plus 52? I've got it.
Got it. Got it.
Oh, by the way,
It can only be one answer, and I don't even need to work it out.
yeah.
Thank you very much.
Easy. I have to add up the digit. No, I mean add up the small numbers, and then you know the last one.
You know the last digit has to be a 1 because 9 add 2 is 11. So therefore,
Yeah,
You
but
ruined
it's
it.
10 to add on.
Oh, by the
I got
way,
it right.
if we
Got
do
it
get
right.
to £1
Got it
million,
right.
then I get all of it.
Yeah.
No. Oh yeah.
why is that, Joseph?
Did I not?
Joseph, you got the enjoyment of the guy smiling even bigger at you. That's the only thing you get. Let's be honest.
Which of the fractions is equivalent to 3/4?
I think
Toby,
it's not B. It's not B.
It's easy. It's easy.
Toby thinks it's C.
It's
Agree or disagree?
Yeah, C.
Yeah, it's C.
Yeah, it's C.
It's C.
Definitely.
We're on 125.
This question is for 125,000.
Find the value of A or B when A
equals
is.
2, when A equals 2, and B equals
Oh my.
Is that is so easy. I bet even someone in year 1 could answer that.
Yeah.
A and B. A is 2.
Jay.
B is 3.
No, A and B equals C. A and B equals C.
Jay.
Yeah, and C is C.
Joe, allow Jay to answer, please.
Let's see.
A and B equals C, son.
I think it's C.
Yeah.
Yeah, get it. A and B equals C, and
Good
C's
boy.
the answer.
A
Oh.
plus B
Boy.
equals C. Yeah. Big brain. Yeah.
17
How much is 17?
No.
Hey, it's not grams.
Thank you
it's
very much.
grams.
Thank
Oh no.
you very much.
It's supposed to be grams, not Grammys.
I know. It's
Grammys.
good look at your literature there, trying to figure out.
Nah, I think that guy that's wearing the big smile doesn't know literacy.
I know.
No, he
I think he had operation to make his lips smaller. No, he make his lips disappear, have a funny nose, and a massive teeth.
Yo,
goes,
why
Yeah,
do
like-
you guys smile?
and like-
so much?
thin head.
A
Yeah.
melted ice
Why do you
cream
guys smile?
for his
Why
hair.
man?
Melted ice cream for his
Smile,
hair.
it's
Only thing.
nothing to you, Joe.
Melted ice cream for his
And I'm
hair.
surprised
How
it's
much
not
Right, have you got an answer?
17 grams in a kilogram?
D.
Oh no.
Joe thinks D.
No.
Yeah, it's
I
D.
think it's D.
It's
D.
D.
D. D.
At this rate, question 15 is going to be something like
D.
1 plus 3 equals 2, correct or not?
Which of these numbers is divisible by 6?
Got it.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Okay, go work it out.
Yeah, got it. Got it.
No calculation.
I've got it.
Well done. So have I.
Good boy.
Yeah, but how
Good
do you
boy.
choose a new?
Oh no, should we call a friend?
Right, let's go for it.
Come on, phone here. I'll go call
It's
them.
D.
The thing is, though, Brendan, if you
Yeah.
ask the audience, I don't think they get it right because none of them have blinked yet, or none
Yeah.
of them haven't even blinked. And it's been 20 minutes.
Yeah, right, Wolf.
No, they do.
Yeah,
They do blink.
It just takes them like
All
a
those
minute
out
to
there that are watching this video back, I apologize.
Oh yeah, this is on YouTube, isn't it?
Yeah, thanks.
It's going on YouTube.
Oh.
Yes.
This is on YouTube.
I apologize for Joe. I apologize for Tony. I apologize for Joseph. I apologize for Hayden. And I apologize for Jay.
No, hippo and
Oh, that
hippo.
Hippo and Jippo.
Hippo.
There we go. Spaceship.
it'll whack up this.
It's 242.
Wolf told me the answer.
Brendan, you're gonna get 1 million
Yeah.
views on this
Spaceship.
just for the wrong reasons.
There we go.
Big spaceship.
Yeah, look at this thing up here.
Okay, so
Yeah.
Right, here we go.
Okay, the last
1 million points,
question.
so we're gonna spend it on that guy's face. Yeah, we should be kind. Let's give the £1 million to that guy.
Joe, we know this. We know.
What's wrong with that dude?
Second try.
We know this. We know
Whoa.
For a million.
He wants to-
Let's call a friend.
this. Yeah, right. I'm just gonna call Caleb for a second.
1 by 1 by 1 is
Yeah,
1. 2 by 2 by 2 by 2, 4.
Okay.
Second triangle number. Is it A1, B2, C3, or D1?
I know it.
Oh, thanks for the answer.
Mine.
Hang on, why is everyone gone? Oh, there we go. Sorry.
Why am I spotlight?
Because you're phoning a friend.
Hello.
I'm actually not phoning my friend. I'm actually just pretending to.
Spotlight.
Right then, it's C.
You're going with C.
See.
Yes, see, I knew it was C.
And we're
I knew
gonna
it was
spend that
C.
guy. Hang on,
Right,
wait a
hang on.
minute.
We've got to all get ready. We've got to get ready. Right.
That guy's gonna have a changeover.
Oh, it could be C.
Hang on, quick.
Right,
Use
right.
all of them.
Go
Use
on,
all of them.
I think it's C.
Are you sure you want to ask the audience?
Brendan.
What? He thinks D?
Well, it can't be D, can it? Because D's not even.
Right,
No,
It's C.
right,
I told you.
Yeah.
Yes!
Hang on, we need to spend it on that guy. Oh, he's got rid of his. Oh, he got rid of his smile for a minute.
Oh.
No,
Yeah,
why
we
don't
need
you?
to-
Why don't you
If
just
anything, it's got
blame
We
rid
need
Yeah.
to spend that million on giving him
Let's
plastic.
do level 5. Let's do level 5.
Can we do level 5?
We need to.
How hard is it?
Invest our millions in.
No.
giving
We need.
him
We need
plastic.
to edit him so he has a sad face or a
Plastic
grumpy
surgery
face
fine.
Level 5. Level 5.
Invest in
Or-
plastic
or a
surgery.
pepper.
If X equals 2, starting with this.
No.
5?
No.
No.
That's a bit hard.
No.
That's a bit
I
hard.
like that. I like that. I like that. No.
Do number
The
3 or
first
4.
question was easy.
I'm gonna
Oh my
call
God.
Wolf.
First question was easy.
It wasn't that easy. It wasn't that easy.
Oh, well,
Plastic
Dead screen.
surgery.
Become a millionaire.
Okay, so.
Alright.
Let's
Where
back-
am I? I'm invisible.
Do you like my tropical shirt? It was when I went to Jamaica, but this is my second time wearing it in a year. Woo!
Nice, very nice.
Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah, hi Wolf. Thanks
Me
for
upside
giving me the answer. I've just got
Guys, smile bigger.
Okay, so now let's look at this now. We have worked on finding the median, and what I wanted to look at is this idea: if you've got an even number of data lists, an even number, what happens when you look for the median, when you have an even amount of numbers? What ends up happening? Anybody
You
really?
have to find the one
You
that's in
can
the middle.
easily work out.
Correct, Joe.
Yeah.
Yeah. You have a list of your numbers, and you actually find the center, and then if you have two numbers, you actually go for the one that's in the middle.
you put the BDogg in.
You can-
What's in the middle? My face.
And then also as well, if you have a large amount of data and you don't want to you can't really figure out what it is. If you know how many, there are, there's a way of doing it. And the way to do it is, if you got 27 pieces of data, take the one out and put that one in the center of the river. That leaves you with 26 left over. So you know that you're gonna have 13 on this side and 13 on that side.
hello.
So therefore, when you have 13 on each side, you go from 1 to 13 here. The median will be number 14. And that is the method, is how my brain calculates if I've got lots of data, what would be in the center. All right?
And that is the meaning of
And that is,
BDogg.
now what I'm going to ask you to do now is for 5 minutes, I'm going to give you a problem to solve.
Oh no,
All
it's
right?
a big one.
This problem is a very weird problem. And
Let's read about it.
I don't know the answer myself, so I'm going to work it out as well while you guys are working it out. If anybody says the answer correct between now and the end of the lesson, I will say, yeah, that's correct, and I will show you how to work it out. If no one
And
gets
give us
it
£1
correct,
million.
if no one gets it correct, then the answer will be revealed on Wednesday.
Right then.
All right? Here is
Hit
your
me as hard as you've got.
Here is your problem to solve. Now listen very carefully. There is a room, and in the room you have 12 people.
Hang on, wait a minute. I'm writing this down.
Same.
I'm in a room, and in the room there is 12 people in total. The 12 people all stand in a circle, each having the same distance in between each other. The 12 people all stand in a circle, each equidistance, the same distance between each of them, a perfect circle. You number them 1 to 12 in order, 1 to 12 in order. Okay. I'm going to tap person on the, I'm going to tap person number 3 on his head. The person opposite number 3 laughs out loud. What number is the person who laughs out loud?
Hang on, I think I've already got this.
So I'm going to look at myself now.
And that's pretty easy.
Got it.
So. Yes, easy. I just got it.
Brendan, that's an easy question.
Yeah, but that might be that might be the start. You never know. I might have like a harder version of it to come.
Oh, what?
And have you got any answers?
Is it 9?
9 is
Yeah.
correct. 9 is correct.
9.
9 is correct.
I just looked at the clock.
Yeah, exactly. If you looked at the clock, you would have got it straight away. So now, that's the warm.
Claps.
That is the warm. Here is the genuine problem now. Same
Okay.
situation.
We don't have
Same
a clock.
Same situation with a room with people in it, but this time there isn't 12 people in it. Oh no. There is 32 people. 32 people. Again, I tap number 3. Who will smile back? Who will laugh?
Me. I know.
No, you laugh at me.
There is
You need to listen to the question again.
I know.
Brendan, what's the question again?
Sorry, let me say it again because people are talking over me. Room, 32 people. Stand in a circle, all equidistant from each other. I hit the person on the head of number 3. The person opposite laughs. What number is the person opposite?
I got it.
Wait, I know.
I think I got the answer. Is it 29?
No, it's 19.
Yeah, it's 19.
It's 19.
Oh yeah. It is.
No.
I can see where you got 29, but it's 19, I believe. And then there's Toby just sitting back like, let the others do it.
It's 19 because half of 32 is 16, and if you add 3,
Yeah, add 3, yeah. That's what I did. Claps.
I get where you got
That's what I
29
did.
from, seeing as you minus thing.
Half 32, 16.
It's not opposite. It's in a line. So 29 is in a line with 3.
Did you hear any of that, Brendan? Toby just explained his answer.
What answer have you got?
19.
Incorrect.
What?
29 then,
No,
29.
you're lying.
No, if it's 19, that's 29. Is it 29,
Oh,
Brendan?
it's because he's still working it out.
I've worked it out. It's incorrect.
29 is incorrect.
29 is incorrect. 19 is incorrect.
What?
Why you have to lie to us?
Come on. You've got 1 minute. You've got 1 minute.
What is he?
It's
Not
no.
19. And it's not
It's 19.
It is not 19.
Hey,
Toby. It is not 19.
well, explain to me how it's
How
not.
about
I'm
19?
not going to explain until Wednesday. So figure it out. It's not
How
19.
about 20? How about 20?
Yeah, 20, 20, 20, 20, 20.
Oh, hang on, Brendan.
20?
Yeah,
Yeah, 20, 20.
Incorrect.
Brendan, no, Brendan, I've got it.
Yo.
Brendan,
80.
it's something from 1 to 32.
Brendan, is it number 1?
Nope.
Is it number
No.
How about
So-
19 take away 1?
Oh, it is insert answer here.
Wait.
I bet you, is it 13? Is it 13?
Is it 22?
Have you guys given up on the problem then? Is that what you said?
No.
No, is it 13?
Because
Is it
now you're not being serious with it. So have you given up with it or?
Oh, no,
is
no,
it
I haven't.
The answer. If you want to work on it, work on it. But the answer is not 19. It is not 29. It is not 1. It is not 1 to 32. It's not. There is a specific number. What is that number?
Is it 13?
It is not 13.
But it has to be. It has to be over 16. It's a number over 16.
23.
Is it 70?
Hang on, Brendan, is it 26?
Incorrect.
Wait. So.
And he goes up to
1
32.
minus 2.
Ah, brilliant.
You give up. Shall I show you?
No, hang on, 29. 29.
It's Wednesday, but I don't
29.
that evil. It's not.
I know, 'cause-
It is not 29.
30.
It is not 30.
Oh, let's just
That's
count up
fantastic.
from 1. Is it 1?
16. 16.
Yeah, it's just.
It is not.
Is it 17?
31.
Incorrect. Have you all given up?
32. No.
How about
But now, because I think
22?
now, personally, I think now you're guessing without any strategy, and that to
No,
me,
I got a strategy.
that to
The way
me,
you work it out is you have the 0 in the middle and you have 3. T plus 3.
what about 13?
The other
13.
I was going to wait till Wednesday, but I'm not because I
19.
don't think it. I'm going to show you now how to answer it. I'm going to show you yet again how BDogg's brain works and how with time you guys will do exactly the same. I'm sure of it.
Oh, really?
This is very similar to my median thought process. I already did. I draw a little dash here. This is how it's a
Oh, no.
person opposite here. This person here is 3. This person here I don't know, but that's 2 of the 32 people that have been used. I've now got 30 people to place.
30 suspects.
If I place 15 this side of the circle and another 15 this side of the circle, then I'll just do person number 3, add 15, means that person number 18 will be.
We were one off.
We were 1 off.
And that's
Wait, but I
what-
said 18. I said 18.
Yeah.
You said
Yeah.
19, you said 20, you said 29, you said 17, you said 1, you said 2, you said...
Nah.
No.
I said 18.
You did not say 18, and you did not say 18, you did not
After I said 20, yeah?
You guessed 18 without any...
Yeah, but you still got the answer right.
No, you didn't. No,
No,
I don't think. I don't think.
I said 18.
There's a reasoning behind it.
Oh, no.
If there's no reasoning behind
We
it, I'm
got
not
it
gonna-
right. We got it
Oh,
right.
There's a reasoning.
all right. Okay.
I'll give you some reasoning.
So that
Well,
is
that's
the end
sad.
of our class. I'm going to stop recording now.